A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all in this session of science. And we are dealing with the chapter Teeth and Microbes. This is the second video of that. In the previous one, we had seen the importance of teeth. What are the two major types of teeth, temporary and permanent teeth? Right? Now, we had also studied about different kinds of teeth, which are there are four kinds: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Right? Then this was their distribution in each upper jaw and lower jaw, and the total contributing to 32 teeth. Then we moved ahead towards the very important part, structure of a tooth, in which we studied about the two main parts of the tooth, crown and root. Crown is the visible part of the tooth, and root is the part of tooth which is inside the jaw. About the enamel being the hardest hardest substance in our body, right? Then dentine, and then pulp. Now we have to move ahead, and the next topic which we will be studying is the caring of teeth. See, because teeth perform so many functions, it is the, you can say, it is the inlet of food in our body, right? So proper caring of teeth becomes very important, because unless and until that is not done, then there is a chance that the food might be mixed with various bacteria and microbes at the very juncture, and nobody wants to have dirty, filthy teeth or loose teeth, right? Because it looks awesome and it is very painful also. Every disease of teeth is very, very painful, right? And you won't look, your smile will be absolutely deadly if your teeth is black or brown in color, right? So we are here, children, at caring of teeth. Now, if you take good care of your teeth, you can save them from decaying. Bits of food that remain, just a minute. Bits of food that remain stuck to the teeth can cause the growth of bacteria. Bacteria first attacks the enamel and forms a sticky coating plaque. राइट अगर हम अपने दांतों का अच्छे से ध्यान रखेंगे तो हम इनको गिरने से, दांतों के गिरने से और ख़राब होने से बचा सकते हैं। जो खाना खाना खाने के बाद दांतों में रह जाता है वही बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ को कॉज करता है, और ये बैक्टीरिया फिर इनामिल को ख़राब करते हैं, छेद कर देते हैं, और स्टिकी कोटिंग, एक प्लेक की कोटिंग लगा देते हैं दांतों पे, जिससे दांत जल्दी ख़राब होते हैं। Then they attack the dentine and finally the pulp. When the bacteria reaches the nerves within the pulp, it causes pain. फिर वो डेंटाइन और पल्प और फिर नर्व्स तक पहुंच के बहुत सीवियर पेन कॉज करते हैं। Tooth decay results in bad breath, cavities, toothache, bleeding, gums, and indigestion. Right? So it's a very severe thing. Calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. Food like milk, cheese, and cottage cheese are rich source of calcium. Right? That is why you have seen your mother shouting at you for milk. Right? For milk consumption is very important. You can remove plaque by proper brushing. Brushing also remove bits of food that is stuck between your teeth, but brushing should be done properly. Proper dental habits should be followed for healthy teeth. Yes. Now some children have a habit of brushing very quickly, right? They take brush and just put 2 3 rounds and then that's okay. That is very dangerous, children. Whenever you brush your teeth, brush it properly, brush it slowly, take time, because it's very, very important, right? Okay. Now, brushing keeps your mouth smelling fresh. For healthy teeth, you should brush your teeth correctly and regularly. Avoid eating too many chocolates and sweet. Eat a balanced diet. Get dental checkup in every 6 months. Now, See the second point, avoid eating chocolates, too many chocolates and sweets. It's not written avoid eating chocolates and sweets. You should eat, but not too many. And after eating them, you should go and do a little brushing of your teeth. Right? Then it's no harm. Okay. Now see these pictures there. See in the first picture, upper surface, outside surface of the upper teeth use a downward sweeping movement. Right? Inside surface use downward sweeping motion. Right? Then outside surface of the lower teeth use an upward. मतलब ऊपर के दांतों में ब्रश ऊपर रखिए और नीचे लाइए, और नीचे के दांतों में ब्रश नीचे रख के ऊपर ले जाइए. इनसाइड सरफेस ऑफ यूज एन अपवर्ड. ऐसे ही बाहर में भी दांत के जो सरफेस और अंदर भी है, दोनों जगह बिल्कुल सेम प्रोसेस रिपीट करना है. दिस इज द करेक्ट मेथड ऑफ ब्रशिंग, राइट? एंड आई एम श्योर you all will follow this. Now we come to study microbes. Now microbes are tiny living organism. Now basically microbes के बारे में हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Simply because ये जो microbes है ना, यही सारे इन्फेक्शन कॉज करते हैं, राइट? यही सारे इन्फेक्शन कॉज करते हैं. द इन्फेक्शन ऑफ टीथ इज वेरी 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 पेनफुल, राइट? Microbes are tiny living organism. They can be seen with the help of microscope. Micro, छोटा, सूक्ष्म, बहुत छोटा, इतना छोटा जो नेकेड आई से नज़र नहीं आता, मगर केवल और केवल किससे नज़र आता है? माइक्रोस्कोप से. Microbes are found everywhere. They grow rapidly whenever they get favorable conditions such as warmth, moisture, food and air. They may grow in soil, water, inside and outside the body and in bodies, not these bodies of other animals. Your mouth and blood provide favorable condition for certain microbes. Some microbes cause disease in human beings. However, some microbes are useful. राइट? ये जो माइक्रोब हैं ये हर जगह पाए जाते हैं, बस इनको थोड़ा सा फेवरेबल क्लाइमेट, फूड वगैरह चाहिए, एंड दे स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग. ना ये सारे माइक्रोब्स ख़राब नहीं थे, कुछ अच्छे भी होते हैं, राइट? कुछ अच्छे भी होते हैं, बट जो ख़राब होते हैं ये वो बहुत ख़राब होते हैं. दे कैन कॉज डिजीजेस, राइट? बीमारियाँ कॉज करते हैं. नाउ द फोर मेन काइंड्स ऑफ माइक्रोब्स आर, see here microbes has been defined as the disease causing germs, right? Disease causing germs, but that is not the actual or correct. ये हम लोग प्रैक्टिस वाली डेफिनेशन है कि माइक्रोब्स बुरी चीज़ है और वो बीमारियाँ कॉज करती हैं, राइट? इट्स गुड फॉर प्रैक्टिस, बट एक्चुअली माइक्रोब्स आर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म विच कैन बी सीन अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप. बहुत छोटे छोटे जो ऐसे नहीं दिखेंगे, बट माइक्रोस्कोप में दिखेंगे. Bacteria are single celled. They may be rod shaped, spiral shaped or round. They cause disease like typhoid, tuberculosis and pneumonia. Virus is smaller than bacteria and can be seen only with the help of powerful microscope. They can cause smallpox, flu, polio and common cold, and one more which is going on right now, corona, right? That is also a virus. Third is protozoa. Protozoa are single celled animals. Malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa, right? And fungi. They are the plants which grow on decaying matter and cause diseases like ringworm, right? Fungi. तो हमने चार कौन से माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स देखे? बैक्टीरिया, राइट, जिनसे ज़्यादातर बीमारियां होती हैं. एंटीबायोटिक इन्हीं के अगेंस्ट में वर्क करती हैं. वायरस, वायरस ट्रीटमेंट के लिए बहुत एक प्रोसेस होता है और प्रिवेंशन को बेटर माना जाता है. देन प्रोटोजोआ, ये भी एनिमल्स होते हैं. फंगाई ये होता है, ये प्लांट होता है. एंड फंगस आपको फफूंद हर जगह दिखती है. ब्रेड में भी कभी कभार देखिए आप, हल्की गीली ब्रेड हो गर्मी पा करके, उसमें भी फंगस आ जाती है, राइट? ओके, नाउ वी कम टू यूजफुल माइक्रोब्स. Not all microbes are bad, some are useful also. Bacteria called lactobacillus changes milk into curd. कर्ड यानी दही. तो ये जो बैक्टीरिया है ये मिल्क को कर्ड में कन्वर्ट करता है, राइट चिल्ड्रन? Yeast, a fungus, helps in making cakes and bread fluffy. तो ईस्ट जो है ये एक फंगस है जो कि केक और ब्रेड को सॉफ्ट करता है. Some bacteria help in decaying dead plants and animal. This helps for cleaning up your surrounding. And last but not the least, some bacteria help animals in the digestion of food, whereas some help to produce vitamins. राइट कुछ बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जो हम लोगों में डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड में भी हेल्पफुल होते हैं, और कुछ जो होते हैं बैक्टीरिया ये वाइटामिन्स तक बनाने में मदद करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज. आफ्टर दिस वी कम टू द एंड. Now we have seen teeth gives a proper shape to the face. Teeth help in biting and chewing food, right? That is why taking care of teeth is very, very important. Canine teeth are used for tearing food. Molars, grinding. Calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. And what is the major source from where we can get calcium, vitamin C? Calcium from milk, vitamin C from green vegetables, fruits, right? You can remove plaque by brushing, and very importantly dental checkup in every 6 months, right? So take two main things you have to do. One is you should brush properly to avoid teeth diseases, and always get dental checkup. Now with this the chapter is over. Now you have to do the exercises of this, right? Thank you children for your patient learning.